Here's how to add confetti to your Unbounce page. First off, create a custom confetti animation and generate the code to install on your website by visiting ConfettiPage.com. It's free. Click the black button that says Copy Code. Log into Unbounce. You will be routed directly to your dashboard. Choose the relevant page you want to add the confetti animation to. In the example shown, we will use the confetti demo page. Click the three dots at the end of the title of your page, then choose Edit. By the way, please disregard the content you are seeing on this page. It is simply being used for demonstration purposes. Now, under Page, on the left sidebar, choose Custom HTML. Drag and drop it anywhere on the Inbounce page. This will open a box where you will be able to paste in the confetti code next, and this is what it will look like. Right-click with your mouse and click Paste to add the code you copied from ConfettiPage.com earlier, or use the text shortcut Ctrl-V for Windows or Command-V for Mac to paste the code. Once you see the confetti code pasted into the custom HTML block, click on the Save Code button. That's right here. Go to the top right of your page and click Save. And to see the confetti animation in action, test it out by clicking Preview here on the upper right corner, which is beside the Save button. And if you did all the steps I mentioned earlier, the confetti code will work. Congratulations! By the way, if you are using the free version, you will see ConfettiPage.com branding here below at the bottom left. If you would like it removed, simply pay for a license to use it without the watermark.